Today our lesson 5, is talking about multiply by one-digit number. Now all of you please open your book, page 37. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to multiply one-digit number. So in this lesson now, we are going to learn how can we multiply one-digit number by a 3 or 4 digits number. Let's start now here. I will give you now the main idea in order to start. Now, if you have a number like 372 and you're going to multiply it by 5 as an example. The first step, you have to multiply 5 with 2. And when you multiply 5 with 2, the answer is 10. Is it right? So now what you have to do, you have to take the ones and write it down, and then you have to take the ones and write it up. Then after that, you have then to multiply 5 with 7. And then 5 multiplied by 7 is? So 5 times 7 is 35. Then you have to add 1 to the 35, which is 36. Then now, what do I have to do then now? You have to write the ones down and then the tens up. And then after that now, we have 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Then you plus the 3, 18. So the answer will be here 1,860. This is here the main idea of the lesson. You have a number from 3 digits, and now you're going to multiply it by 1 digit only. Let's take another example. Here we have 215. Multiply it now. I'm going to multiply it now by 9. What you have to do? First, you have to multiply 9 times 5. And 9 times 5 is 45. So you have to say 45. Don't forget, the ones is down and the tens is up. Then after that, you have to multiply 9 times 1. So 9 times 1 is 1 plus 4, 13. So 13. Then 9 times 2 is 18 plus 1, 19. So the answer here, or the product, will be 1,935. Did you get the idea now? Is it clear? Do you have any question? Okay. Now, all of you, please open your book, page 37. Page 37. Each day, an airline flies 9 commercial jets from New York to London, England. Each plane holds 293 passengers. So in each plane, that house can hold 293. And they can make 9 commercial jets from New York to London in England. If every seat taken on all flights, how many passengers fly on this airline from New York to London in one day? Now, what you have to do here, I will now explain the idea of the lesson that I talked about it before in details now. Now here, the first step, and this is not so important when you start multiplying, but here, and just know, now, like if I multiply 293, sorry, by 9, what the answer could be? Or how can I do it mentally? In order to find it mentally, you have just to estimate 293. So you will say it could be 300. Just estimate 293. Then after you estimate it now, just now you have a small number like 300 times 9. What you have to do? 9. Multiply now 300 times 9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. And 9 times 3 is 27. So the answer here of the estimation for multiplying 300 times 9, it's 2,700. So that means when we now multiply 293 by 9, the answer, it could be near 2,700. Let's start now multiplying here 293 by 9. Now, here we have, first of all, you have to write them under each other. Up, you have to write 293, and down, you have to write number 9. Then, you have to multiply 9 by the ones. So then, 9 times 3 is, what's the product of multiplying 9 times 3? Yes, grade 5? 27. So what do we have here? We have 27. So then, you have to write the ones down and the tens up, 9 here. Is it clear? Okay, now then. And after that, no. Then after that, what you have to do, you have to multiply 9 times 9. This 9, you have to multiply it by the 9 in tens. What the answer will be? What's the product of 9 times 9? Yes, grade 5. 81. Thank you, Hunada. Now, this 81 here, don't forget. Did I finish? No. Look up here. What do we have? We have number 2. So now we're gonna add 81 plus the 2 tens, which is equal 83. Then after that here, you have now to write the 3 ones down and the 8 tens up, the 200 here. Then now, what we have to do next? We have to multiply 9 times 2. And then 9 times 2 hundreds is what? What's the product of multiplying 9 times 2? 1800s. Then we have them to add 1800s to the 8. So what the answer will be? 18 plus 8. 26. 18 plus 8 is 26. Then now, after I found that, or after I multiply the number by the hundreds and then add the 800s, the answer is 26. So then now I wrote down 26. So my answer will be 2,637 passengers fly from New York to London. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, another example now. Open your book, please, page 38. A commercial airline makes several flights each week from New York to Paris, France. If the airline serves 1,978 meals on its flight each day, how many meals are served for the interweek? So here now, they give an 1,978 meals per day. Then I ask me, how many meals are served for the week? How many days in 1 week? 7 days, bravo. So now you're gonna multiply 1,978 by 7. Here now, what you have to do, you have to estimate 1,978. When you estimate it, the answer is 2,000. Now, so here, 2,000 multiplied by 7, write the 3 zeros, and then multiply 7 times 2, and the answer is 14. So what does it mean? It's mean here that my answer, it could be close to 14,000. This is my, if I do it, if I solve it mentally, my answer is 14,000. Now let's now start multiplying 1978 by 7. Let's start here. Who can help me now? Yes, Hunada. $56, bravo. Bravo. So the answer is 54, bravo. So then what do we have here? What would you have to put for? So, yeah, let's go here. Sorry. Then now here, 7 times 9.
7 times 9.
63. Oh. No, stop. Before that, look at up to 9. When you multiply 7 by 9, do you have to stop or you have 5? That's me, and I need to add it. Bravo. Thank you. Equals 13. Okay. Thank you so much. So how many meals per 1 week? 14, 36. Bravo. Now, all of you, please now remember what's my estimation was. 14,000. Bravo. So mentally, when I multiply my number of meals for 1 week, I found that the answer will be or could be near 14,000. And when I do it exactly, it says 13,846. So this is here. That means I can compare my answer with my estimation. And I found that my estimation is close to my answer. Do you have any question now? Okay. Now, open your book, page 39. Now, let's start with Haneen. Yes, Haneen. Number 1, 7 multiplied by 796. First of all, I need you to estimate. You're going to multiply 6 by, what's the estimation of 796? 796.
Yes.
How can you estimate it? Let's remember you now. I remind you now. See, here when you want to estimate, underline number 7, the last digit. Then ask yourself, can 9 give 7? Now you have to remember that this is a rule: 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We say like they are poor numbers. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are rich numbers. So is number 9, number 7, number 9, sorry, from the rich numbers? Here is number 9 from the rich numbers. Yeah, so because it's rich, it can it can add. So here now, 9 will give 1 to the 7, and 7 will be 8. So the estimation of 796 is 800. Did you remember it now? You forget how to estimate? Then so now, okay, I will later on I will give you another example. Now here, what you have to multiply now? You're gonna multiply 800 by 6. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Write them down. Then 6 multiplied by 8. 6 multiplied by 8. No. Remember, what's the product multiplying 6 by 8? 48. Thank you. So now, my estimation is 4,800. Now then, what I have to do? I have now to multiply. I have to multiply 6 by 796. So then, 6 times 6. Yes, Haneen, 6 times 6. 36. So you have to write 6 down and 3 up. Then 6 times 9. 54 plus 3. 57. So you're gonna now where you have to write 7. 7 ones. When you have to write it down, and 5. Then 7 multiplied by 6. 42 plus 5. 42 plus 5, 47. So the answer here is 4,776, which is the closest to 4,800. Okay, now thank you, Haneen. Now Malak Anas or Malak Anas. Yes, here number 2. You have 608 multiplied by 8. What's the estimation? First of all, what's the estimation of 608? 600, bravo. Can you tell us how you estimate it?
Zero is not from. So we're gonna make it as 600.
Bravo. So here we have 600 times 8 equals. Bravo. So first of all, you have to add 2 zeros. Then you have to multiply 6 times 8, which is 48. So here, yeah, now let's multiply. 8 times 8. 64. So where you have to write the ones? Bravo. Then now, what you have to do now?
8 times 0 equals 0. 0 equals 6.
Bravo.
6.
Then
8 times
48. Bravo. So my answer here now is 4,864. Thank you so much, Malak. Now number 3, Noura. 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 Yes, Noura, you opened your microphone. Okay. Hala Bashar. Hala. Yes. First I said Noura, but Noura didn't answer me. And now I said Hala. Okay. Now let's choose Lana. Yes, Lana. Here, 556. Can you estimate it? So first you estimate it to 600 times 4 is? Bravo, 24,000. You add 2 zeros, then you multiply 4 times 6. And the answer is 24. Then after that now, here what do we have? We have to multiply 4 times 4 times 6. Then 4 times 6 is 24. Bravo. So you have to write 2 up and 4 down. Is it right? Then what do you have to do next? Is plus bravo. Thank you. Then 4 times 5. 22. Bravo. So the answer here is 2,224. Now, thank you. Now here, number 5. Let's solve it now. 6 times 6 is 36. So now you're going to add, right, 3 up and 6 down. Then 6 times 9 is 54. Plus 3, 57. 57.
Yeah.
Then 6 times 3, 18. Plus 5, 23. So the answer here is 2,376. Now, who wants me with number 6? Let's choose Nooralina. Yes, Noor. Here, you're gonna now to think about a number. When you multiply it by 8, the first digit is 6.
Yes.
The answer is 2. Why did you say 2? Because maybe, no, but let's try 2. Okay. Type then 2 times 8 is 16. So 6 up and 1 down. Then 8 times 2 plus 1, 17. So you're gonna now write 7 down. But what's the number that's written down? It's 1. So that's mean it's not 2. You have to put another number. Think about it. No, multiply it by 8, give you a number that's first digit is 6. Three times 8, 24. 5 times 8 is 40. 7. Bravo. Yeah. Let's try number 7 now. 8 times 7, 56. Bravo. Then 8 times 2 plus 5, 21. 21. So yes, number 7 is correct. Then 8 times 1 plus 2, 10. Then 8 times 5 plus 1, 41. Thank you. So the answer here is 41,016. Now, thank you, Noor. Number 7. Who can help me? Your name, please? Jilan? Another one, who can help me? Or shall I choose Hunada? Yes, Hunada. 7 times 6. Yes, 7 times 6. Or now, so here what you have to do, you have to think about a number that will multiply it by 7 and add it to 4. The first digit is a 3. What's the number will be? Bravo. What did she do here? She said that the answer it could be 63. So 63, but first of all, you have to subtract 63 from 4. What the answer will be? No, wait. Number, you multiply it by 7, then you add the product to 4, you get a number that's the first digit is a 3. No, think about number 7. Let's try number 7. Okay. 7 times 7 plus 4. 54. Bravo. No, sorry, 49 plus 4, 53. So 5 is up, 3 down. Then yes, Hunada, 7 times 5. Plus 5. 40. So 4 down, up, and 0 down. Then 7 times 8. Plus 4. Thank you, Hunada. So the final answer here is 60,032. Yes, now the period is finished. Do you have any